Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by isolating the problem file, make a copy now and stop editing the original. Next, check the extension and note the last modified date because that helps choose a recovery path. Once done, verify your Excel version and available RAM. Large files need more memory. Also, inspect file size to detect unexpected growth and confirm if macros exist, since those change recovery options. This rapid triage prevents accidental damage and guides whether to try built-in recovery or external tools. You should attempt the least destructive repairs first. Open Excel in safe mode and use File, Open, Repair, except the repair that preserves data. If that fails, extract raw content by renaming. XLSX2, zip and pulling the sheet XML, this lets you recover values and formulas. If the workbook contains macros or links, disable them and copy individual sheets into a fresh workbook to isolate corrupt elements. Once you extract data, make incremental saves and test calculations to confirm integrity before proceeding. You now rebuild and validate. Copy cleaned sheets into a new workbook, recreate named ranges, and re-enter critical formulas so references are correct. After that, run recalculations and Excel error checks and spot check totals to ensure nothing changed. This confirms accuracy. If corruption persists, try restoring a previous version from backup or OneDrive, or use Open XML SDK or a reputable recovery tool as a last resort. If recovery fails, a key troubleshooting tip: always test recovered file on a different machine to rule out local Excel faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.